$6,000 in engine repairs, all because he bought the wrong year Silverado. If you're thinking about buying a used Silverado, these next 3 minutes are going to save you thousands of dollars. Mechanics with 30 and 40 years of experience are unanimous. There are 4 specific Silverado years you should avoid at all costs. This isn't about personal preference. This isn't about opinion. These are years with proven factory defects that cost thousands to repair. And if you already own a Silverado from one of these years, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to protect your investment. The first year to avoid, 2007 Silverado. Why? It was the very first year of the AFM system, Active Fuel Management. GM launched this technology without adequate long-term testing. The result? Hydraulic lifters collapsed between 60 and 90,000 miles. The repair cost? $5,000 to $6,000 to rebuild the engine. The year 2007 has the highest lifter failure rate in the entire history of Silverado. It's statistically the worst year ever. If someone offers you a cheap 2007 Silverado deal, now you know exactly why it's so cheap. The second year to avoid, 2008 Silverado. GM tried to fix the AFM system, but they only made it worse. In 2008, besides the lifter problems, new issues emerged. Cylinder deactivation system failures causing extreme vibrations, excessive oil consumption. Some engines burned 1 quart every 1,000 miles. And the worst part? The problem was intermittent, extremely difficult to diagnose. Many 2008 owners report taking their vehicle to the dealership 5, 6, even 10 times with the same problem with no permanent solution. Complete repair cost? Between $4,000 and $5,000. It's simply not worth the risk. The third year to avoid, 2014 Silverado. Wait, but isn't 2014 newer? Yes, and that's exactly where the danger lies. 2014 was the first year of the new K2XX generation, and GM made the exact same mistakes. New AFM systems still not adequately tested in real-world conditions, 6L80 transmission problems, shuttering and gear shift failures, unstable electrical system, control module failures. It's like GM learned absolutely nothing from 2007 and 2008. Same problems, new generation. Average repair cost for common 2014 problems? $3,000 to $4,000. And the fourth year to avoid, 2015 Silverado. GM continued using the problematic AFM system, but now with a new serious problem. Premature high-pressure fuel pump failure. This causes complete power loss without warning, extremely dangerous on highways. Plus, 2015 kept all the problems from 2014. Defective AFM, transmission shutter, electrical issues. Mechanics call 2014 and 2015 the problem twin years. One is just as bad as the other. Fuel pump repair, $2,000. AFM, another $5,000. Transmission, another $4,000. You could spend more on repairs than you paid for the entire truck. So, let's recap. Avoid 2007, 2008, 2014, and 2015. The best years, 2000 to 2006 GMT 800 with Vortec engines, and 2016 to 2018 K2XX after GM fixed the problems. If you already own one of these bad years, get the AFM delete done immediately. It costs $800 to $1,200, but it prevents $6,000 in future repairs. Now, here's what I need from you. First, what year is your Silverado? Drop it in the comments below. Second, did you dodge the bad years, or are you in the risk group? Third, if this video saved you from a bad purchase, smash that like button. Subscribe for more money-saving alerts.